we'll guide you through how to group layers in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, click on the Windows Start icon on your keyboard to open the Start menu. In the search field, type Google Chrome to locate the browser application on your device. Once it appears in the search results, open the Google Chrome browser. After the browser launches, click inside the URL bar, type Figma, and press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, select the official Figma website and wait for it to load completely. Before proceeding, verify that you're already signed into your Figma account so you can access your design files. For this tutorial, open one of your recent projects from a dashboard. Once selected, the edit page of your project will appear with the canvas, layers, and editing tools ready to use. Next, decide which layers you want to combine into a single group. These can be shapes, text layers, images, icons, or any other design elements that you want to organize together. After choosing the layers, select all of them by marking each one on the canvas or in the Layers panel. Make sure every required layer is highlighted before continuing. Once all the layers are selected, right-click on any of the marked layers to open the context menu. From the list of available options, select Group Selection. Figma will immediately place all of the selected layers into one group, while keeping their current positions on the canvas unchanged. If you prefer a faster method, you can use a keyboard shortcut instead of opening the context menu. Simply select all the layers you want to group, then press Ctrl+G on your keyboard. This shortcut performs the same action instantly. After grouping the layers, look at the Layers panel on the left side of the interface. You will now see that the selected layers are contained within a single group. This makes your design easier to organize, move, edit, and manage without affecting the individual elements inside the group.